Okay folks, back for the last box break of the day. This is Panini Threads Basketball 15-16. Alright, let's do this before the sky gets dark. I think it's going to rain already. Only 6 packs. Break. So even though it's a pretty big box, but notice they only give a very small opening for those 6 packs. So I'm not sure what's the deal here. A very big box for just 6 cards. Okay, come, let's do this. Compared to the 14-15 version, the 15-16 version has 2 more leather rookie cards. So that's always a good thing when you have more. And the first one is Trey Lyles of Utah Jazz. A numbered card of Avery Bradley, numbered to 99. The rest would be your inserts and base. This is the second leather card, RJ Hunter, followed by an Anthony Brown rookie debut jersey card numbered to 199. This is a insert, and oh, nice Steph Curry base. Draymond, Russell Westbrook, Jarrell Martin, and what do we have here? Bobby Portis. This is another materials card. Rather big jersey fabric here compared to the one just now. This is numbered to 199. And this is the Threads card of Connaughton. So the autograph cards are still nowhere inside. I think I'm going to get one now. No, it's not. It's just a... Oh, wait, it is. It is a jersey. Oh, no, it is an autograph card. Anthony Bennett. And I believe he is the #1 rookie pick from the 13-14 season. So this would go into my #1 draft pick PC. Obviously, this is a very ambitious PC, because you will include the likes of LeBron James and Ben Simmons, who obviously don't have autographs from Panini collections, because both LeBron and Ben Simmons signed exclusive autograph deals with Upper Deck. So you'll never find the autographs in Panini products. It's very hard to get the autographs from Panini products, or for that matter, even from Upper Deck. So this is a new name to the #1 draft picks collection, but of course has gone off the boil. Unlike many other #1 draft picks before and after him, his career hasn't really taken off. But you can't take that accolade away from him, which is being the #1 draft pick, even though it's from a weaker class, a weaker rookie class lineup of 13-14. So pretty interesting hit. New name, new addition to the PC collection, but you know, give me John Wall or Blake Griffin or Karl Anthony Towns anytime, you know. So that's the first autograph hit. Should be one more to go from the last 2 packs. This is the second last pack. Larry Nance Jr. Another numbered card, Willie Cauley-Stein, number 99. The rest should be your inserts in base. Okay, last pack. Come on, let's go for one final flourish. So I think the autograph card is hiding behind this Threads card. I think it goes this way. Ooh. Wow. 2 #1 draft picks in a single box. This is outstanding. Wow. Nice low number as well. 14 of 25. Yet another #1 draft pick. This time around he's from the I've forgotten already. I think it's the 10-11 season. Or is it 11-12? I can't remember. John Wall. Wow, this is a big hit. Of course, it's still with the Wizards. Has been their marquee player and point guard for many seasons already. But they are far from, you know, championship material. Two #1 draft picks in a single box. Can you believe it? This is just wicked. Earlier on I had a soccer box broken. Wasn't fantastic. I actually broke a 14-15 Threads. Before this video. Wasn't fantastic either. But this box really saves the day. Okay, I'm going to force this card into a 75-point top loader. Hopefully I'm not going to damage it. Maybe it's time for me to buy the 100-point top loader because some of these cards look like they'll fit perfectly into the 100-point. Alright, and the rest of the cards, nothing much to shout about. This is Dwight Howard. Threads, obviously, is no longer there. But what a nice double hit here. All of a sudden, I have 2 more new names to the collection. Alright, so that does it for this video, and I'll see you next time.